my own TV station, live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Snowstorm is really bad in Sydney, Nova Scotia. It's bringing a lot of snow in Sydney, Nova Scotia right now. It's blowing and drifting snow outside. The winds are getting worse. It's getting pretty high in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Not too many people are going for a walk down the street today. Snow plows driving down main streets in Sydney, Nova Scotia because the weather's too bad right here in Sydney, Nova Scotia. They already changed the rain in Yarmouth, Halifax, Shelburne, and those places right now. And temperature's going to continue to go up. Then it's going to bring lots of rain in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Right now it's snowing heavy and blowing and drifting snow. It's a major winter storm going on right now in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Lots of snow and strong winds. Visibility is reduced. When you're driving the car, take your time. Be very careful driving the car in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Not too many people going for walks and driving their cars in Sydney, Nova Scotia today because lots of snow, blowing and drifting snow. Blizzard-like conditions right here in Sydney. People in Sydney, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready. Wear your winter jackets, hats, and gloves, and scarf, and ski pants ready because a lot of snow is happening in Sydney. It's blowing and drifting snow. Winds going gust pretty high. It's going to pick up in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Storm is getting pretty bad out there in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Winds are pretty high. Not too many people driving down the streets in Whitney Pier in Sydney area because a lot of blowing and drifting snow in Sydney, Nova Scotia, right here on Cape Breton Highlands. It's even worse up in the Highlands. Not too many people driving on Cape Breton at all because there's a lot of snow and blowing and drifting snow. This weather is getting pretty bad out there in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Here's my advice. If you don't like the snow, stay indoors and don't walk too far in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Look at all the snow, blowing and drifting snow. It's blizzard conditions right here in Sydney. Look at the blowing and drifting snow. I can't even see Sydney, Nova Scotia. It's blowing and drifting snow in Sydney. Best of luck to you. People in Sydney, be prepared for a snowstorm. Take care. Stay safe. Be safe.